Want to take your Upwork freelancing to the next level with dedicated desktop software? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Upwork Desktop app to stay productive and connected, right from your computer. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The Upwork Desktop app gives you a streamlined experience with better performance and convenient features that help you manage your business more efficiently. Let's get it set up and working for you. First, you'll need to download the app. Visit Upwork's website and look for the Desktop App section, or search for Upwork Desktop App in your computer's app store. It's available for both Windows and Mac systems. Once installed, log in with your regular Upwork credentials. You'll notice the interface is clean and focused, with easy access to your messages, jobs, and meetings. The app is optimized for speed, so you'll enjoy faster loading times compared to some browsers. Take advantage of the dedicated notification system. The app provides real-time alerts for new messages, interview invites, and job matches. You can customize these notifications so you never miss an important update, even when you're not actively browsing Upwork. A crucial pro tip: use the app's Work Diary feature for hourly contracts. It provides accurate time tracking with screenshots and activity levels, giving both you and your client confidence in the work being done. This is especially valuable for maintaining trust on longer projects. The app also integrates seamlessly with Upwork's video calling system. You can join client meetings directly through the app without needing to switch to a browser or download additional plugins. This makes your professional communications much smoother. And just like that, you've upgraded your freelancing workflow with a powerful desktop tool. The right software can make managing your business so much simpler. If this guide helped you work more efficiently, please give it a like. What's your favorite feature of the Upwork Desktop app? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For our final tutorial in this series, subscribe for our guide on how to find entry-level jobs on Upwork. Thanks for watching.